Hi everyone, I'm Connor with ZLINE Kitchen and Bath, and today we're going to show you how to install a panel on your DWV dishwasher. The first thing you want to do is lay your panel on a smooth covered surface to prevent any damage to the stainless finish. You're going to remove the hardware from the hardware kit that comes with the dishwasher. The next thing is to go ahead and lay your hardware out with the appropriate pre-drilled holes. You're going to use the wood screws to go ahead and attach the mounting anchors. To attach the plastic mounting anchors to the panel, you'll need either a Phillips head screwdriver or a Phillips head bit for your impact driver. I find it easiest to insert the screw into the anchor first, line them up with the pre-drilled hole, and then go ahead and screw that in. The anchors are plastic. It's important not to over tighten them or they may crack. Once you have the first anchor installed, move to the other side of the panel and install the second anchor. It's important to note that the orientation of the anchors matters. The flat side should face toward the bottom of the panel. Once you have the plastic mounting anchors installed, your next step is to install the handle. You have two button head screws included in the hardware kit. They will insert right into the pre-drilled countersunk holes at the top of the panel. Once the handle screws have been inserted through the pre-drilled holes, you're going to go ahead and take your handle and line it up. Now it is important to note that the flat part of the handle bracket should face toward the top of the panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver or impact gun, tighten your first handle screw. And you don't want to tighten it all the way so that you can still move it around. And it's important to note not to tighten them too much or you may warp the outside of the panel. Now that you have your handle and your mounting brackets installed, your panel is prepared to mount to the dishwasher. First, we need to install the kick plate. And with the kick plate, you'll have the plinth or bracket that it mounts to, and the two mounting legs used to attach it to the dishwasher. First step of installing your kick plate is preparing the mounting bracket. Now, if you notice on the back of the bracket, you have two holes. Those holes are to attach the mounting legs. And these legs will go like so, perpendicular to the flat part of the bracket. To attach them, use the two small button head screws that came in the hardware kit and a Phillips head screwdriver. Now, you don't want to tighten them too much. You do need a little bit of play so that you can adjust them as needed. Installing the kick plate bracket to the dishwasher is very simple. Those legs will slide into the two slots at the bottom of the dishwasher, one here and one on the left side. Once you've found the slots in the dishwasher for the mounting bracket, we'll go ahead and slightly pinch the legs that you just installed, and they will fit right into each slot. From there, you just push forward into the dishwasher. Now that your bracket is installed, the next step is to attach the kick plate. If you'll see on the back of the kick plate, there's one magnet on either side. All you have to do to install it is stick it right onto the bracket we installed. Once you've completed the kick plate installation, it's time to finish installing your panel. So if you notice, those plastic anchors we attached earlier are the same shape as the holes in the top left and right of the panel. Now these anchors will slide right into those slots and then slide down, leaving the panel in place. Once you've hung the panel using the anchors, the next step is to attach the panel using the remaining hardware. First part of that is opening the door while keeping the bottom of the panel and door supported. Now, once you've got the door open, there are 4 screws you'll need to remove to finish installing the panel. One here, 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 and over here in the corner. Once you remove those, you can replace them with the panel mounting screws, and that's it. Start with the lower end of the door. We're going to remove this screw and replace it with the panel mounting screw. Now we'll repeat the process on the upper end of the door. Now that we've completed the right side of the unit, we'll repeat the process on the left side. Now for the remaining screw. Once you've installed the remaining screws, the panel installation is complete. I'm Connor with ZLINE Kitchen and Bath. Thank you for joining, and you have a great day.